Hello and good day. David Bradley from the box room here. Today I'm going to button up and pack up this gem. Yes, it's an original Commodore 64. So original that it is indeed a silver label 64. Now, it's funny, I've seen machines like this sold online. Oh, it's a silver label, it just doesn't have the top case, so you can't actually see. Well, there is a silver label 64. It is. It is lovely, beautiful. Anyway, it's time to, as they say, button it up. So, the LED cord goes on. The keyboard gets plugged back in. Keyboard gets plugged back in. It's funny, with all the light in here, sometimes it is hard to see because there's light in my face. This is not off very often. Just a little tight. Okay. And then you must be careful getting it to just so as it goes together. Beautiful. Beautiful. And now the screws. This is why I get kind of, well, not crazy, but kind of antsy when I lose screws or when screws hit the floor, because I like to be able to put the original screws back into each thing. How many times I find, or I remember there was 164, the posts were so squirrely that you would screw into that someone had taken some wood screws and used them because they were longer and they might work better. Alright, there it is. Silver label 64 all together. Now, let's see. I'm going to crank it up one last time. It's been tested and tested and tested. I don't want to ship it and then find out there's something not as it should. Turn on. And I'm going to do the usual poke 53280, 0, and poke 53, where am I? 281, 0. And then one last run through the keyboard. good. Lovely. Shift lock works. Space bar works. Everything is dandy. Now, I'm going to give it. Oops. I guess I can turn that off. I'm going to give it one last just look-see before I start wrapping it up. And this, I mean, on the bottom there's a thing that says made in Canada. And it looks like, and it was, an afterthought. That is part of the original of it, where it says made in Canada. But the labels didn't say so, so they had to make another label to make it so. So this is a beautiful, beautiful. I'm just looking to see if there is nary a blemish. I don't see one. So the next thing that will happen to this fine machine, there it is, I can get closer, is I will take bubble wrap, lots of it, tons of it, and I will wrap it up so that it could be shipped just in the bubble wrap, but I won't do that. I have some very strong boxes. I use them to typically ship Commodore 64s and 1541s, and they go all over the world. I've never had any trouble. So yes, I've received things that have not been packed well, but I always ship with things packed because I want them to get there, and I want them to be just as good as when they left here. And this is beautiful. Beautiful, I say. So, I guess there's not much else at this moment to say. By the way, one thing, I have in the past, I've got bubble wrap from like a dollar store, and I don't do that anymore. I go to a place, and there's a place, it's not that close to me, but I sometimes am there in kind of mid, a little bit west Toronto, and they make boxes, and I've had them make boxes specifically for things. And they do. They have the machinery, and they basically start with big things of cardboard, and they figure out where to put the things, to put in the scores, and do whatever and make boxes. But they also sell shipping things, and when I get bubble wrap, I get a great big roll of it. So it costs more at the time, but in the end, it's better. It's better stuff, and it also is as economical as it gets. All right, well, it's a sad time to see this silver label 64 go away. I have removed the notes, and it all works. Yep. And I'm sure it will be cherished and loved where it is going. So, the next thing I need to do is get it wrapped up. Not sure I can do this here. Not a lot of space in the box here. But for sure, I will, maybe I'll wrap it up, and then I'll show you what a bubble wrap 64 looks like. Anyway, thanks so much for coming. Keep your stick on the ice. We'll see you again soon. From the box room, David Bradley, signing off. Wrong hand. Bye for now.